Welcome to Precision Trading with CoinMarketCap. I'm still that guy, Jay Sharp. The markets, Bitcoin, is it going to make us sing with joy or make us scream in anger? Before we get to it, do me a favor. Reach down and hit that like button right about now. All right, let's go to CoinMarketCap and get a lay of the land and get really sharp with the markets. Come along. Okay, taking a look at the day chart, we can see last week prices have been moving up. Let's bring out this line of support here. We jumped off of this line of support, rising up, but we've paused for a bit here. We haven't hit any previous lines of resistance yet, but what's caused this pause? Well, we use that special tool, that Fibonacci retracement tool. Let's bring that out and see where prices have paused. We can see as we go from the top to the bottom here, the prices have hit a 62 retracement level. Let's bring it down to a smaller time frame to get more clarity on that. And we can see, yep, prices have paused at that 62 retracement line. You guys know I like using that line and that 78 retracement line. We see a lot of prices pause or get supported by these lines of support. And you can see right here, it's like right on the money. Now, what do we need from Bitcoin? Prices are fighting to keep this line of support right here. We can see that right at that 46.7K line. We need prices to bounce off of that to break through this line of resistance at that 62 level and also to break through that 50K.5 level right here. Let's add on another tool that can help us determine whether the trend is going to be bullish or bearish in the Bitcoin chart here. Let's add on the moving averages. Now look at that. We have prices hitting that support, and then we have this moving average right here, this 40 moving average cradling prices. What we would like to see is prices bounce off of this support, off of this moving average right here, springing up, breaking through resistance, going up higher. Of course, if that doesn't happen, if prices fail here, we can see prices break through this line of support back down to our previous line of support at that 44.2K mark. So let's talk about moving averages. Moving averages are one of the most superior trend following tools that we can use to our advantage, whether that be a bullish trend or a bearish trend. Now, there are 5 dominant moving averages that we can use: the 10-period moving average, the 20-period moving average, and the 50-period moving average, which can be interchanged with the 40-period moving average. And the last two, the 100 and the 200 moving average. Now, my weapon of choice, I love that 20 and 40 moving average, and a little seasoning on the top, that 200-period moving average is quite nice. So let's take a look at the day chart and see how the moving averages are lining up. We can see that prices are fighting to get above that moving average. If I was looking for a position, I would not be looking here. I would be looking for some kind of pullback. Let's take a look at the weekly chart and see how that lines up. We can see prices are being cradled by the moving average, so it's confirming that we are in a long-term bull market going up. However, with those Fibonacci levels hitting that 62 retracement line, we could still be facing some downward movement. Let's bring that retracement line back here. So we still need to see prices being held by that moving average going up above that 62 to 78 retracement line. That's very important. That's very key in order to stay bullish and get to higher levels. Hey, Jay Sharp coming to you live. This is just a quick update. Just want to take a look at Bitcoin in real time. Just bringing up this chart. I was taking a look at this and noticing that prices are really dropping down. We talked about that 62 retracement line. Prices are being suppressed by that. That was something that made me a bit cautious, as I talked about in the previous videos. Now, let's bring these moving averages back here. We can see prices hit that 62 retracement line, the moving averages, and prices are suppressed. We see prices dropping down to this line of support right here. Now, if I was an aggressive day trader, I'd be looking for an opportunity here, keeping a tight stop loss. So if you're a leveraged trader, this could be a possible good advantage. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 bars coming down to this line of support on the 4-hour chart. Let's zoom on in real quick. All right, we need prices. If I see 3 bars coming down here and holding, I'm going to look for an opportunity and put a stop loss just below this line of support, just around, what is that? That's that 43K line. That's if I was aggressive. Now, long-term traders, I'd be holding here. Remember, the rule still applies. We want to see 3 to 5 bars. We only see 2 bars here to the line of support. I would need to see some consolidation happening. And we need that. We need a couple of days to see that. If that does not hold, we could see prices fall down to this next line of support, and that could be a possible opportunity to buy in. Let me just bring up this line, this retracement line, Fibonacci retracement line. Personally, if I was looking for another opportunity, I'd patiently wait to see prices drop down to that 62 retracement line on the day chart. That's previous lines of support. And also, once again, my other favorite line is that 78% line of retracement. Let's get back to the video, but this is just a quick update. Now, if you find this whole world of cryptocurrency confusing, make sure to check out previous episodes of Precision Trading. There's tools in there that will definitely give you more clarity on what's happening in the market. Once again, thanks for joining me here at CoinMarketCap in this episode of Precision Trading, where we talked about the moving averages. Make sure to try on these new tools and see how they work for you. Now remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm only offering tools that you could possibly use to help you improve your trading and profitability. Now, I pass the challenge on to you to get as many people to understand this beautiful world of crypto. And make sure to subscribe, share this with your friends and families. And you might be asking, why? What's in it for me? Well, CoinMarketCap has prepared an event where you can win USDT, you can win NFTs, you can win diamonds. It's a no-brainer. So get on it. And remember, it ends in a week, September 27th. Well, I'm that guy, Jay Sharp. Love, peace, and hair grease. Deuces.